Blueberry muffins are blueberry coffee crumb cake. Let's make this amazing, easy, and delicious 2-in-1 recipe. Bismillah. Add these dry ingredients to a mixing bowl. 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. 3/4 cups of sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix well. And set aside. Now combine these wet ingredients. ½ cup of milk. 1/3 cup of cooking oil. 1 egg. Whisk it very well. And add this wet mixture to dry mixture. Mix or fold with a light pressure, don't overmix it. Fold 1 cup of blueberries into this batter. Now add this mixture to a greased cake pan, or into muffins cups. For crumbled streusel topping, in same mixing bowl, add ½ cup of flour, 4 tablespoons of soft or melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and ½ cup of brown sugar. You can alternate brown sugar with white sugar. You can also add 1/2 cup of rolled oats, optional. Mix with fork, spatula, or with your finger tips till crumbly. Evenly spread it over cake batter. Bake it in preheated oven on 350 Fahrenheit. For muffins, baking time will be between 15 to 20 minutes. And for coffee cake, bake time will be between 35 minutes to 50 minutes, all depends on the size of the cake pan. Serve warm or however you like. If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, share, and comment below. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.